Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hi everyone, I'm Eyebrow. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel and welcome to 5 Days of Christmas, where I do a tutorial every day for 5 days up to Christmas. And right now I am priming my lid with LA Girl Concealer in medium beige, and I'm using my beauty sponge, my teardrop beauty sponge, but everything will be in the description box below if you're interested. And I'm going into this LA Color palette, and this is actually a face product that I actually use to set my face products. So it's like setting powder but in a palette form, and I'm just using it to set my mobile lid. And as you just saw, I'm using my Milani bronzer, which is also a face product, to warm up that crease using my Morphe M200 brush. And that just goes to show you that you can actually use your face products for your eye as well. And now I'm going back into that same palette to get that, it's like a warmer brown. I'm actually using different browns just to get the perfect gradient effect that I wanted. I used the Milani bronzer in Sunkissed to really just warm it up, but but also work as a transition color as well. So now I'm going into more of a deeper brown to really warm it up even more on top. But you'll just see me use my e.l.f. blending brush to blend it out just fine. And I'm going back in with my M200 Morphe brush to just fix any imperfections, because that's what I love about that brush, is that it can take product away as well as put product in larger areas of your eye. And I went into that same palette to use my e.l.f. crease brush to pack on that darker shade in my outer corner, as well as going into my crease in the middle of my crease. Alright, so this look is so very simple. I just wanted something that was very wearable, and I'm pretty much just using this same LA Colors powder palette. That was fun. Powder palette, and I'm using my M167 brush to apply those two lighter shades to my mobile lid. And you can see it's just creating the perfect gradient effect. You got the darker shades in the crease and the lighter shade on the mobile lid. And I'm kind of giving you like an illusion of a cut crease, if you will. Yes, this is pretty much my go-to, especially when I'm around family and friends or just out and about. I really don't really wear dramatic makeup unless, I don't know, I guess I just feel in the mood, or if it's like a party per se. But this is my go-to. It's very simple, chic, elegant, to the point, and then the glitter is just the perfect thing. And right now you're just seeing me put on my gel liner using my M215 brush, and this gel liner is from Maybelline. It's their, what's this called? The Blackest Black. I love this gel liner. It's smudge proof. It stays in place. It's nice. And then I'm tight roping my top water line using their, what's this, a Tattoo Studio gel pencil liner in their black shade as well. And now it's time for the glitter. And I actually got this glitter from Scentbird when I went to BeautyCon in the VIP section. So I'm not sure if it's on their site. You can definitely go and check that out and see. But I only applied this glitter on going on top of that black gel liner, but not too far from my outer corner. I like stopped right before the outer corner meet and the inner corner meet. But right now I am putting on my Kiss lashes. I'll have everything in the description box if you're interested in everything or anything that I'm talking about in this video. But now I'm just tight roping my bottom waterline with the same gel pencil liner from earlier, and I'm putting the same shadows I put in my crease on my bottom lash line to make the whole look perfect and complete. And I went into my Ella Girl palette to put that gold shimmer shadow in my tear ducts area. I have so much black eyeshadow and stuff going on, black liner, blah, 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 that I need something to open my eyes up. And you just saw me also put some mascara from Maybelline on my bottom lash line as well. And now I am starting my lip effect, and I put on my ColourPop Elair lip pencil. And I am partnered with Astrology Trends, which is what you're seeing, and they just sent me a necklace. And if you are not familiar with Astrology Trends, they are a astrology and zodiac based company that create fashion pieces such as jewelry and the shirt you're seeing me wear. You can check out my lookbook, my previous lookbooks, for more information. But if you're interested in the shirt I'm wearing or necklace, I do have a discount code that you can get a percentage off. So definitely check the description box below for all that information. But I am now putting on my Joah Beauty Adulting lipstick, and I do have a separate video talking a lot about that, so stay tuned. And then I topped it with my Giorgio Armani liquid lipstick in 400s. But yes, that completes the look. I hope you love it. Give it a thumbs up if you do. If you're new here, please subscribe. Bye.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,